Hi everyone, I'm Kieran Kerr, the Program Manager in our Manufacturing Technology Department at Lucid Motors. At Lucid, we make the world's most advanced electric vehicles, redefining what is possible in the automotive industry. The Lucid Air lineup delivers the most powerful four-door sedan, the most energy-efficient vehicle ever made, and the longest-range electric vehicle, all in a single groundbreaking model. And it doesn't stop there. We put this same mindset into our manufacturing systems, including what I will discuss today, our in-house computerized maintenance management system, otherwise known as CMMS, built entirely in the ignition perspective. We've been a strong champion of the ignition platform since our factory's inception, using perspective for our and-on displays, factory analytics systems, HMIs, several smaller MES applications, and now our CMMS. You may have even seen the Firebrand Award we received last year thanks to the help of one of our integrators for our digital transformation journey. For our CMMS application, we aimed to replace our existing system, Rockwell Fix. The tool needed to be more user-friendly, offer greater customization for the end user, and be a more cost-effective solution that did not rely on a user-based subscription. After thoroughly reviewing all available platforms in the market, we decided to develop our own. And what better platform to choose than Ignition Perspective? The application has four main functionalities that serve as the operational nerve center for managing maintenance, equipment, and resources across the plant floor. First, asset management. Each asset maintains a complete digital history from installation and serial number to every maintenance action performed. This provides engineering, quality, and leadership teams with the insights necessary for long-term planning, root cause analysis, and capital strategy. Second, we have work orders. Whether it's reactive maintenance for a fault or a planned repair, our system creates clear, traceable work orders linked to specific assets. Users can log the issue, track progress, assign technicians, and upload images or notes, all in real time. It's designed to keep teams accountable, informed, and agile. Third, predictive maintenance. Our CMMS enables scheduled tasks based on run hours, sensor data, or calendar time, allowing us to prevent issues before they occur. When integrated with MES or PLCs, this capability becomes even more effective. Thresholds can automatically trigger scheduled jobs, reduce manual oversight, and prevent costly breakdowns. And finally, we have spare parts management. Every work order consumes resources, and our system ensures we never run short. From barcode-enabled stock tracking to automatic reorder points and supplier visibility, the CMMS guarantees inventory accuracy and efficient part usage. No more wasted hours chasing missing components.
I am Julio Cortez, the Ignition Technical Lead in our Manufacturing Technology Department at Lucid. We really have been working with Ignition for many years, nearly since the start of operations at our advanced manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, Arizona. I would say that since many projects were initially developed with the help of some vendors, I can proudly state that we are now creating many projects in-house with our Lucid Ignition development team, including the CMMS project, which we have named Lumen, standing for Lucid Upkeep and Maintenance Engineering Network, after taking a plant-wide vote. Our CMMS was built using one of the most popular modules in Ignition. The entire front end is developed on perspective, employing dynamic views that adjust to any screen size, with a strong focus on mobile screens and laptops. The back end, of course, utilizes scripts, name queries, and various types of tags that collectively support the core functions of our application. One of the main challenges in this project was migrating from Rockwell Fix to our newly developed in-house system. We recognized the need for a more flexible platform that could provide a more customizable product for Lucid's maintenance teams. But we also understood that changes can be complex. Therefore, we aim to offer more than we previously had, including a more attractive interface that is easier to use, making Ignition the clear choice. This made a straightforward choice for our end users to embrace the concept.
It really has been an outstanding achievement for us at Lucid to demonstrate our in-house development capabilities. The maintenance team at Lucid actively uses the tool to manage approximately 25,000 assets across 5 shops, resulting in around 10,000 scheduled maintenance tasks. What you have seen is not the final version either. We have several features in the pipeline that will further improve this tool. These include integrating CMMS into our asset performance management system, connecting PLCs and sensors across the shop floor to begin trialing predictive maintenance, and linking with our ERP system for cost and inventory tracking. Built by and for our teams, Lumen is more than just another application. It's a foundational element of our smart factory ecosystem. It brings structure, reliability, and intelligence to every aspect of maintenance operations, empowering our teams to work more efficiently and proactively. It is simple, scalable, and smart. Thank you for your time and for listening.